Oh, go on guys, you know it's a boy Caribbean Vibes cooking. So we actually I tried cross that stream but eventually on a stream again it turned a big river right now. Cause we've been getting a lot of rain for the past couple of days. So I'm now gonna try for chance because the current in the water too strong. Yeah man, so we still gonna shoot the video up on the right hand side and find a different spot. Really beautiful one I never ever actually see before by coming up at the river. So me I go shoot the video at this spot for the first time. So right here so I get up the fire. You know what I mean? As the Queen's rain starts so I don't have no time for wait when they come on to shoot in the video today. Because I really want done the vlog so you know guys can get the vlogs them for watch. You know what I mean? And thank you again for the support. And no time for waste today. Catch up fire, you know. So yeah, I left the mosquito right here and so them are going with big things today. Swear what. So you said. Yeah, so in the meantime, fire catch. Yeah, go and pick out the Ackee them. See them. Try finish up as soon as possible. As I explained in the previous video guys, it's because of the rain why we not really post that often because I know it's an outdoor channel, so if the rain fall 3-4 days we can't really go outside. We still have to try to make content so you guys can get the good content them, you know. Yeah man, so mosquito them are gone over there in them ground, you know, so accidental left the mosquito repellent today again. So we're there in the mosquito them feeding ground now, so we know how it go. Yeah man, channel a grow guys, channel a grow, I love that, you know. Boiled crab video they are going with beer things. And man, I'm extremely proud of the team Caribbean Vibes. And you know me and my nephew always are doing the best content them out there. So just keep on supporting the team man, which is Team Caribbean Vibes, you know. And we can't wait to see the channel reach around 10,000 subs. We are pushing the work, you know. Consistent are the key. So you know anything what we're doing, we just have to just keep on shoot. We are gonna have days when you know really give that courage to go on, but you know we just have to just keep on shoot. And just 2 hours so we don't really need no heap of food. Two-man pot today. So we will make some soursop punch today. Add a little soursop there. Some people call it soursop juice. Punch when you add rum, you boots up your little bit. So, see the sun there. A lot of Jamaican love them blend up and soursop juice and all these things. me water the touch. Cool to backside, you know. No man, this is too cool. Soursop, don't squeeze out. There are other supper journey knives. There are other guineas, you know? Be things today on the river. Good vibes. And vanilla. Add about a teaspoon of spice mix. And 1 drink of white rum. About a teaspoon of nutmeg. Use some sweetening milk, so we're gonna sweeten to taste. Yes, sir. Yes, boy. A little bit more. And roll hard. A bit more vanilla. But adding the saltfish in the meantime. Just wash off it. And leave it in some water to try to break down some of the salt. Yeah. So the juice done. Next thing now, okay. Boil off them ackee, you know. Yes guys, so we just take the time and go through, get familiar with the place. First me ever come up right up here, so it's a beautiful scene. So we just use up all of this, the environment where we have to shoot videos and put out the videos them out there. Mosquito are going to beat things up at now. So I'm going to take out the saltfish. Put in some fresh water, make it go on soak out a little bit more. So I'm going to use the same water for boil the ackee then. Give them more 5 minutes and ready. Yes, so I'm just cleaning off the scale off of the saltfish and just breaking them up into some small pieces. Taking out the bones. So after I finish breaking up the saltfish, I'm still gonna have it put into some more water, because these saltfish is really salt, and the thicker the saltfish be, the more it consume the salt. Man, no wonder why I name saltfish. really salt. So I'm using some red sweet pepper, onion, tomato, scallion, garlic. So I already washed them off already. So the ackee can come off now because it's been 5 minutes. So I don't really want them to overcook. I'm using some purple scallion. Cutting board a rock. Cutting board a rock on the bucket. I'm also using some scotch bonnet pepper, other little spice. So I'm using a green one. Also using garlic. Garlic is a thing that I really love because garlic is really healthy and make the food smell real good, tastes good. So garlic is a thing I really love. So the ackee done. So I take it off. Strain off the water. Strain off the water. Man. Bun hot here, man. I want to see ackee there, man. Yep. Yeah, man, we add just a little bit of cooking oil in my pot, you know. But I love to burn my garlic, keep a good flavor in the oil. Guys, it looks like rain are gonna come down right now. It's crazy. So it's crazy, guys, like getting out the video in the day. Keep a rain. Still a try, nevertheless. Adding the bell pepper, onion, scallion, thyme, garlic. Saute them up just a little bit. Place a dark up. Try and see if we can really get in the video today. I don't know if it's possible. Everything got stuck up today, guys. Hear it? So I'm giving them 2 minutes. adding the saltfish. I'm up on a fast move right now because I tell us the whole place is dark up. Yes, Jaja. In the Ackee, you know. Ackee, that's right. Watch out. Drain out the excess water for in the Ackee. Add some black pepper in. That one. Yeah, guys. Big up to my neighbor, Chef Shawnee over there in Canada. Eh? Greatness in our family, bro. Add some black pepper. All-purpose season, but a little bit more flavor. Leave chop in there pot. Yeah man, so I heat that. A little bit more. Set up the yam, you know, and taking time and go and roast. Yeah, man, people are ready to come to shot, man, rescue me again from the river star. As I see, look out there. Right now it's crazy. Lightning and rain right now. Thunder. Crazy. Only you have me have the roast also, so even there. Boss rescue me again for the second time, like. I eat that. So dinner soon ready. Now I'm done roasting. Scrape off here, Took a little while. Finally. Yes, father, pot done. Yeah, I'm take about 40 minutes to roast. But finally. Yo, burn one. That. Rich old juice to it. sir. Yeah, man, brown man. Second time the boss rescue upon the river. You know, get the knife here, don't you?
Shut man. Alright. Shut man, not then alright.
Alright, my brother.
Alright, my daddy.
What's your drink, Simon?
Oh. I'm ready. Brother, how are you put that juice here? How are you put that juice? Let me have a make some juice.
Soursop, Guinness, supplement, rum, vanilla.
You know, some drink soursop though? Yeah, but that's why I see it here now. Let me want to drink.
Yeah man, so this is our furthest me I go today guys, I swear. So right now the current are too strong. You know, but today if we follow the lightning and the amount of rain, the video won't even finish. But we still push on through it, even though you know lightning is something where we take for granted. But when it comes on to creating content, I know the type of content where me choose to give for my people and on my channel. So I just have to just keep on push out the work, and the video is a success. So you know, say we come to the end of the video though. So like the video, comment, subscribe for more awesome video. We're out guys.